The Audytor set software includes in one application 3 calculation modules. For designing of the central heating systems, CH, central cooling systems, CC, and internal water supply installations, H2O. In global data, we can choose which systems will be designed in a given file, all of them or only selected ones. This approach allows better coordination of all system designs as well as separation, so that at the moment only one system can be designed to focus on it. While working with the program, it is possible to display all the systems. This allows, among others, detection of collisions. However, when designing a given system, in many cases it is convenient to choose to display only one system. For example, a water supply system. Then, the other systems are displayed in a grayed way. The degree of graying can be adjusted using the scroll bar. It is also possible to completely disable display of other systems, so we can focus only on one of them. Now, the system can be designed either in a traditional way, it means in a diagram, or in a more modern method, it means on plan views. In case of designing on plan views, a full three-dimensional model of the system is created. However, the user draws it on plan views. This is much easier and much faster. And the third dimension is created automatically by the program, based on data on the levels of system elements, which are most often very repetitive. The designed system is presented in the form of 3D visualization. The system can be viewed in the entire building or only on the selected floor. Then, the elements of the remaining stories are displayed in a grayed way. The degree of graying can be adjusted using the scroll bar on the right. You can also completely turn off the display of the remaining floors. It is also possible to display a view of architecture. The architecture is specially displayed in a flattened manner so that it does not obstruct the system. You can also turn on the display of the room zones. The program is equipped with separate module for the designing of central cooling systems. This allows better control over the created technical documentation, as well as creating of separate material lists. The program uses the technique of active selectors of pipes. If none of the segments of the pipe is selected, then selecting and moving the selector will move it without disconnecting the pipe. However, if you like to disconnect the pipe, just select one of the segments and then moving the selector will disconnect the pipe. It is also possible to select a number of selectors with holding the Shift key. Now, Moving them causes a parallel shift of a number of selectors. This technique allows, for example, easy correction of connecting pipes for underflow radiators. The program in the Pro version allows you to import architectural plan views, so-called building base drawings, from the Revit program. To do this, select File menu and then Import building base drawings from gbxml command. Then, after checking the conversion of the room descriptions, the stories will be added for the levels created in the Revit program. Systems designed in the Audytor Set Pro version can then be exported to Revit program. To do this, select the File menu and then Export Data or Results to a Revit file. Most often we will use the Result Export function, although data can also be exported. Now choose the systems to be exported and click Start Export. Enter the appropriate intermediate file name and save it. This file can then be imported into Revit using a special plugin. The license management module is now available not only in the form of a separate application, but also from the program menu. In order to start it, choose the Help menu and then Licensing. In this module, you can enter your license number for the entire package or for a given module. If we do not install a license for a given module, the program works in this scope in the browser mode. It means it allows viewing the system previously designed, for example to detect collisions, without the possibility of editing. It is also possible to work without any licenses. Then the program works as a browser for all the systems. This allows, for example, making your project available even to those who do not have a license for the program. Thank you for your attention. I wish you lots of successful designs prepared with our software. Goodbye.